You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular Yoruba actress Ronke Oshodi shares stunning photos of herself as she celebrates her birthday on the 17th of July. She dressed in three outfits, white, black and red, to take photos. Ronke captioned on one of the pics, the mother of two also took her time to address the way marriage crashed in the industry. He also added, saying most actors engaging in prostitution aren't doing it because they are in the industry, but because that is who they are.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.